Hey little lovers! Thank you for stopping by. I'm Alina.
And I'm Molly, and you are watching the official Lethal Cosmetics YouTube channel.
If you want to keep up with our latest makeup releases, you should definitely subscribe. And spoiler alert, we have some amazing things planned for you this year.
You have no idea. 2022 is going to be a great year for makeup. You heard it here first.
As part of what we do, we get to keep a lot of secrets about the products we haven't announced yet. That's fun, but what's even more fun is to finally spill those secrets. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. Because we're here to reveal our upcoming and strikingly beautiful
Nightflower collection.
This collection consists of the Nightflower eyeshadow palette, 4 brand new Side FX gel liners, and 3 very special magnetic highlighters.
There's so much to talk about, so let's dive right in. Should we do the palette first?
Let's do the palette first. Are you ready?
Ta-da! Isn't she beautiful? I just love this packaging, but wait till you see what's inside.
We have 12 stunning new eyeshadows curated into what may very well be the perfect purple palette.
In this palette, we have 6 mattes, 2 classic metallics, 1 duochrome, and 3 brand new multichrome shadows, and they will blow your mind. This is a type of multichrome shadow that we don't have in our lineup yet, and it's a more budget-friendly option, and it is absolutely mesmerizing.
Alright, starting at the top left, this shade is called Allure. It's the first multichrome in the palette, and it shifts from champagne to green gold to red. It's perfect as an inner corner highlight, but you can also place it all over your lid for a surprisingly natural glam look.
Next is Moonbeam, a neutral ivory matte that lies directly between Pilgrim and Ephemeral.
Our next shade is Twilight. It's a stunning lavender to gold duochrome, and it's already one of my favorites.
Dahlia is our next shade, and it is an orchid matte.
Shouldn't it be a Dahlia matte?
Fair point. It's a Dahlia matte then.
Next, we have Nox. It's purple metallic with shimmering specks of red. It's kind of a distant cousin to Spirit, but it's warmer and sparklier.
Aurora is our next multichrome shade, and it shifts from light blue to green and pink. It's honestly so dreamy.
Lithified is next, and it's a very unusual neutral matte. It's a medium deep taupe with strong purple undertones. You'll love this one if you're a fan of glycination or unearthed.
Evenfall is the 3rd multichrome in the palette, and it shifts from cranberry to pink and blue.
I love Evenfall, the name and the eyeshadow. Next up is Circadia, another really unique matte. It's gray, but it has beautiful blue undertones.
Next up is Wisteria, which is not only a beautiful night blooming plant, fun fact, but also the name of this stunning medium-toned lavender matte.
This next one is Nightlong. It's a deep blue metallic with light blue and pink specks. It's basically the color of beautiful night sky.
Finally, we have Midnight, a rich and deep eggplant matte. It's a lot deeper than Nightcall and more cool toned than Unity. Just going over the shadows, I was already thinking of like 5 different looks I want to create.
I can't wait to see those. Alright, let's get into the liners.
Yes, please!
First up is Harmony. It's a Periwinkle matte. You'd be thinking it's so light it must be a pastel shade, but it's actually pretty intense.
I love it. Next up is Fidelity, a rich purple matte. This is such a beautiful shade and it is perfect for a dramatic wing, or I also love to wear it in the waterline.
Next we have Melody, a mauve matte. But let me tell you, this is not any old mauve. She packs a punch, this one.
And finally, we have Polarity, a deep, reflective blue. You heard right. This is a brand new finish to our lineup that starts out almost matte and becomes more reflective as it dries down. Awesome! So that's everything?
Actually no. We are also coming out with 3 brand new highlighters, and they're very special.
Gosh, how could I forget about the highlighters? Launching with this collection are 3 amazing, hold on tight, duochrome highlighters.
These are so stunning. Of course, they're real eye-catching, but we also wanted to stay true to what our magnetic highlighters are all about. So they're not overly glittery, and they do not accentuate pores for super flattering glass-like finish.
Our first highlighter is called Stellar, and it reflects blue and violet. I'm really surprised how wearable this shade is. Like, you could totally wear this to the office.
Then again, you work for a makeup company.
Fair point.
Next up is Atomic, and it shifts gold to red. This one's my favorite, I think.
Wait till you see Halo. Halo is the most intense of the three, and it reflects green and blue.
So Stellar and Atomic are a little more everyday. Halo is more in-your-face, crazy looking. Got it.
They're all really wearable actually, but in an outer space kind of way. Like, be ready for people to point out how awesome your highlighter looks.
I'm ready. What I also love about these is that they have a sheer base, so they will look equally stunning on all skin tones.
Okay, this is it, our dreamiest collection yet. The Nightflower collection will launch next Saturday, February 26th at 4 p.m. CET. That's 7 a.m. Pacific time and 10 a.m. Eastern time.
The pre-assembled Nightflower palette retails for €52. You can also customize it in our palette designer, or you can purchase the shadows individually for between €6 for the mattes and classic metallics and €9 for the multichromes.
The liners retail for €16 each, and finally, the highlighters for $20.
Everything we've shown you today will be available on our website and also at select stockists, which we will announce shortly.
Now all that's left to say is thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
And please don't forget to stay lethal!